Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Net SDK and VS Code. This gives you the runtime and editor. Once done, add the C# extension so IntelliSense and debugging work. Now create a project, open your folder in VS Code and run .NET New Console in the integrated terminal to scaffold files. Make sure to save and observe program. CS appear. This first action wires the editor to the toolchain. Without it, features like build and debug won't run. Next, configure debugging and tasks so builds are automated. You can generate launch. JSON and tasks. JSON from the run view, this links .NET build and the debugger. Once configured, edit code, IntelliSense will suggest types and quick fixes. If you need libraries, run .NET add package then .NET restore. This keeps dependencies in sync. Also check Omni-Sharp settings for modern net, and use global mono if projects target different runtimes, because the language server behavior changes how completions and diagnostics appear. Finally, run and validate. Press F5 or run .NET run in the terminal to execute. Use breakpoints and the debug console to inspect variables and step through code. This is how you verify behavior. Add unit tests with XUnit or NUnit and run .NET test for CI-style checks. If something breaks, like missing IntelliSense or no debugger, restart Omni-Sharp, confirm .NET info matches your project, and set the SDK path in VS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.